Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to apply a leave within the Leave Management app in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the KEBS application, he or she can click on the Leave Management application or search for Leave Management and pin the app for ease of access. Once the Leave Management application is displayed, the user can simply click on the Apply Leave option and a pop-up displaying these particular fields will be displayed. Here, the user can click on the calendar and all the leaves which the user had already mentioned or taken off are already displayed. The user can select the type of leave which is to be taken and click on the calendar entry for the particular category leave to be populated in the calendar. Now, the leave approver is automatically loaded and the reason for leave can be mentioned. Any attachments pertaining or supporting your leave can also be uploaded. Once this is done, the Apply Leave button is to be clicked and the leave is created successfully and an entry is made within the landing page of the Leave Management application. Thank you for watching.